It's hard to overestimate the impact of Druuna on audiences who've read the graphic novels by Eleuterio Serpieri and the admirers of Serpieri's gorgeous comic artwork. I decided to make a piece of art to sell on eBay, starting with this small pencil sketch. Now I featured two elements, Druuna's famous backside and the hideous tentacled creatures transformed by an incurable disease. The final pencil version on 8.5 by 11-inch halftone paper. I did a lot of redrawing to make sure everything came out like I wanted it to. Sometimes I get inhibited about drawing such a well-defined character. Serpieri designed Druuna with a very specific look, but I didn't want to simply reproduce what he's done. I simplified her face on purpose to put my own spin on her and shaped her hair and body from scratch without referencing Serpieri's art. Drawing papers vary a lot in how well they take ink. I wanted to use a dip pen with India ink on this, but I found Copic pigment liners worked better for me. I took my time detailing all the mutant tentacles. My idea was I was hoping to use the slimy, misshapen textures to contrast against Druuna's well-formed and smooth shapes. When they taught us halftone drawing in school, a lot of students found it hard to grasp. I learned the secret is to only apply white to areas directly struck by light. I pretty much strictly put white only on these areas. Sometimes just a little in the reflected light in the shadows, and if there's something white like her t-shirt, I'll put more white over it to make it stand out as a specifically white object. But the first thing I do is use white on objects that are actually white, like her eyes, teeth, and in this case also Druuna's shirt. Lots of layering with marker color. Repeated coats of color lets me build up intensity and keep smooth textures. Finishing touches and the brightest highlights are applied with white opaque paint. From sketch, through pencil, then ink, highlights, and final marker coloring. Thanks for watching. Thanks to my subscribers and a special welcome to my new subscribers. I'm happy and appreciate that you enjoy hearing about my work, and I hope you can come back for more. Remember, joining me on Patreon helps me create the content you enjoy.